Hey guys, what's going on? Got a little safety tip for you today. Some of you guys might already have it, might not have it, but you need a certain thing in your car no matter what. And I'm gonna show you what it is right here. It is a fire extinguisher. Most of you guys, like I said, probably already got one, but yesterday I was driving along in my green car. Everything was fine, running good, just putting some miles on it. And next thing I know, I smell gas. I was like, what the heck? So I tried to get off the road quick as I could, and by the time I got off the road, I went to turn the key off, and the motor shut off before I could turn the key off. So I knew something was up. Then I went to get out of the car, and I saw flames coming out my cowl hood. I was like, oh my God. So I grabbed my fire extinguisher, come out, open the hood up, and this is what I seen, but of course it had a bunch of flames. Is that right there? And you talk about freaking out. I mean, there was flames coming out both sides of this thing. I was like, there's no way this little fire extinguisher is gonna put this thing out. And I held it on for, I don't know, 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and it had that them flames out. I mean, it was flames coming out the bottom, out the sides. I was like, there's no way this is gonna happen. But anyway, it put it out. As you can see, it did some damage. I gotta get new fans for it. But I got to get it cleaned up and figure out what happened. I think I'll know better once I get it cleaned up. But I think this first injector leaked, and it went down into behind the water pump. And when it filled up there and leaked over, it got down on the hot side on my turbo, and that's where the flames come up. Because this is where the most of the heat seemed to be. Because you can see right there where it was cooking on the power steering. But I planned on taking this car to Ford Takeover this week. I was actually planning on going to Darlington tonight and getting some kind of idea how it was going to do before I bring it down there and, you know, throw it on the track for the first time of the year. So, but that didn't happen, obviously. And like I said, it's not going to make it Tennessee this in a few days. Not 100% sure if I'm coming. Probably hang around to start putting this thing back together. But need to go get some fire extinguishers, guys. I'm gonna replace this one. I'll probably get a second one. I've already got one in my orange car. I'm gonna probably go buy another one, put another one in my orange car. You never know when you might need them. I was at the track one time and following this guy. He had a Mustang from me. His alternator overheated, started catching on fire. He was lucky enough to beat it out with a rag, but nobody had fire extinguishers at that point, and that's when I went and got mine, because I didn't want to be in that situation. So anyway, like I said, probably not gonna make it to Ford Takeover, but I'm gonna try to get his car put back together. I think it's just, for some reason, it don't want to go to the track for some reason. But anyway, you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep track of taking this thing apart and fixing it, putting it back together, get it cleaned up. So just stay tuned for that. And like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.